In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a single value slider in Power BI. If you've ever wanted an easy way to let viewers pick a single number, like a target, a threshold, or a scenario value, this is a clean, built-in way to do it. Start with your Power BI report open. Head to the Modeling tab at the top and choose New Parameter. When the window opens, select Numeric Range. This option creates a parameter table behind the scenes and, importantly, builds a slicer for you so your users can adjust one value at a time with a simple slider. Give your parameter a clear name that reflects its purpose. Then choose the data type. I'll pick whole number to keep things simple and avoid decimals. Next, set the minimum and maximum values. Think about the typical range people will need. Too wide and the slider becomes cumbersome. Too narrow and it loses flexibility. After that, choose the increment. This determines how much the slider moves with each step. Smaller increments offer fine control, while larger increments make it quicker to jump between values. Set the default value of the slicer as well. This is the number the report will start with whenever the page loads. So pick a sensible starting point that makes your visuals immediately meaningful. Before creating, make sure to check the box for Add Slicer to this page. That ensures the parameter's single value slider appears instantly on your canvas, so you don't have to add it manually. Now, click Create. Power BI will place the slicer directly on your report, and you'll also see a new table in the data pane containing your parameter values and an automatically generated measure. That measure is what you'll reference in your DAX expressions to make visuals or calculations respond to the slider. The slicer itself is a single value slider, so users adjust one number at a time, perfect for scenario testing or setting thresholds without allowing ranges. As you interact with the slider, remember that the minimum, maximum, and increment choices define the user experience. Keep them realistic and aligned with how your audience will use the report. And because the parameter shows up as a field and a measure, it's easy to integrate into your existing calculations. And there you go. Your single value slider is set up, visible on the page, and ready to drive dynamic insights in your report. That's all.